Hello everyone, welcome to you on Think Future Academy. Today we are going to learn about how to create name ranges. Let's begin. This is my data for creation of name range and remove the name ranges. You will see it here, all my data, and here the methods. Name box, define name, create from selection, remove name ranges. First, name box. Just select my data here, and here is name box. Click it here and give the name student. Press enter, and now you will see here A4, but if I am going to select my data, it will show student. Okay. Define name. The second is I am going to select my data here, and from home button you will come to formulas, and here you will find the option for define names. I am just going to click it on the define name and press OK. It is defining now. If I am going to select my data, you will find here it is rank absolute. And now we are going to create from selection. I am going to select my all data and create selection. Create from the selection, top row, OK, yes, and it is done. Now I am going to use some of the formulas here in which I will show you how it works. For example, we are working for sum equal to sum, and I am going to make the sum for total marks. I am just typing TOT, and you will find here down total marks is available now with us, and just press enter and it is automatically giving you the sum. You don't need to select the numbers manually. Equals to average, and average I am looking for music. You can find out here down, just press tab and close the bracket, and you will find the average for this one. The same you can use it here, and the same methodology we will use it here in this area as well. I am using another sheet, and for example I am looking for sum here equals to sum, and I will select only, I have in my memory that total marks sum, and it will give me the sum here equals to average for art, ART, and you will find here art, and just click it, you will find this one, count equals to count A. For students, if you see that one, it is coming student now 16. So all my data range, it's available here, and it is selecting from that one. And now at the last we will learn how to remove these name ranges. Here go to the manager by pressing Ctrl F3. You can go in and just select whatever you want to delete. For example, if I want to delete geo, just delete, OK. And if I want to delete all of them, just click on the first one and hold the shift key and click on the last and select all and delete, OK, close. And when we delete it, it is same again giving you the error because it is not anymore reading your name ranges. Thank you very much.